Climate Countdown, where we look into how it's going with the old end of the world. Sometimes we have some positive stories. Here's one. Modern alchemists are turning airborne CO2 into diamonds. That's pretty awesome. As we know, diamonds are mostly carbon, like coal compressed to a small shiny gem, usually because of thousands of years of geothermal pressure. But in the past decade or so, maybe a couple decades, scientists have been able to create diamonds in a lab by compressing carbon using lasers. Now there's two companies are selling diamonds made in a lab from the CO2 that they pulled out of the air. This one's called Aether, a New York-based company. Each carat of a diamond removes 20 tons of CO2. 20 tons of CO2. Well, that would imply to me that there's 20 tons of matter in that diamond. I guess when you get rid of the O's in CO2 and just use the C, you are taking 20 tons out, but not putting all that mass into the diamond. Not sure how that translates exactly, but they're more power to them. They're sucking CO2 out of the air, which we need to be doing more of, and anyone that can create a further incentive for people to pull carbon out of the air, even if it's rich people want bling. Let's do it. Let's get the rich people their bling and use their money to suck all of the harmful greenhouse gases out of the air. With the purchase of a 2-carat diamond, you're essentially offsetting 2.5 years of your life. Okay. Well, there's a lot of sketchy math involved in that, but basically they're saying make yourself more carbon neutral by using laboratory-made diamonds that come out of the air. And, in each diamond, you have little pieces of former forest fires, 12 cigarettes, and the cremains of 6 grandmas. Here's a picture. Oh, where's the picture? In Scientific American, they just have a random picture of a diamond from Getty Images. But in this Newswire, LSN Global, I don't know who they are, but they have an actual picture that is labeled Carbon Negative Diamond by Aether. Looks pretty cool. Looks like a diamond. Looks pretty enough. I still don't want one, but I'm glad that they're no longer blood diamonds sparking wars. Probably there are still some blood diamonds sparking wars, but the diamond industry has made an effort to get better, and good for them for trying to improve. And okay, there's a lot of stuff about the beers and mining in here that I'm not going to get into, but the one more point I want to say was these are not cheap. Aether has been selling its diamonds since the beginning of the year at prices ranging from $7,000 for a ring to $40,000 for earrings. All right, so they're not trying to say these are fake diamonds. They're really going all in on selling these diamonds at diamond prices. And maybe we won't need to mine them anymore. We can just make them all in New York.